All right, let's jump right in. We're here to talk about something really different, a new way to think about technology and, well, the human mind itself. This is GestaltView, and we call it the neural handshake. Does this sound familiar? You know that feeling, right? Where your mind is just exploding with brilliant ideas, but they're all scattered, like pieces of a puzzle. If that hits home, then you're in exactly the right place. That feeling is the reason GestaltView even exists.
You see, we don't think that's a problem that needs to be fixed. We see it as the starting line. We call it the beautiful chaos. It's not a flaw, it's the raw and credible material of your creativity, of you.
For way too long, technology has tried to cram our amazing, complex, often neurodivergent minds into these rigid little boxes. It's kind of like trying to force a beautiful sprawling symphony into a tiny spreadsheet. It doesn't work. You lose all the music.
So we threw that whole approach out the window. We started with a completely different question, a whole new philosophy. This isn't about building just another app. No way. This is about creating a brand new relationship between our technology and our consciousness.
So what if technology didn't try to change you? What if instead it was built from the ground up to understand you, to actually see the hidden order in your chaos and then give you the tools to weave it all into your own unique masterpiece? That's the dream. That's GestaltView. And this gets to the heart of what makes us so different. Our secret sauce. It isn't just code. We call it the founder as algorithm. It's a system, a philosophy really, that's been forged over 41 years of lived experience. That human empathy, that understanding, it's baked right into the logic. And that creates a foundation that's impossible for anyone else to just copy.
So here's the bottom line. You've got traditional AI over here, focused on cold logic, productivity, and a one-size-fits-all approach. And then you've got GestaltView. We're built on empathy. We're here to serve consciousness, and everything we do is deeply, truly personalized.
Okay, so that all sounds pretty big, right? But what does it actually feel like to use? Let's pull back the curtain and show you how it works. It's time to experience the neural handshake.
It all starts with you. The very first thing GestaltView does is create what we call your personal language key. It doesn't just scan for keywords. Oh no, it listens for your rhythm, your unique metaphors, your specific patterns of speech to build a model of how you actually think. And check this out. This is what it finds. It gives you a resonance score, which tells you how much an idea truly clicks with your core way of thinking. It picks up on your go-to metaphors, like exploded picture, and it even identifies your energy words, those words you use, maybe without even realizing it, that signal a real breakthrough moment for you. But we're more than just our words, aren't we? So much of our life is tied to music. So the next layer is our musical DNA consciousness engine. It actually analyzes the soundtrack of your life, connecting songs to memories and emotions to uncover these incredible hidden patterns. And this is what that looks like. It can take a song that's meaningful to you and show you why. It can measure how much it aligns with your thought patterns, that's cognitive resonance, or how much it emotionally lifts you up, which is that empowerment score. It's a whole new way to understand yourself through your music.
Now we know this is a huge, bold vision. And the vision needs proof, right? It needs credibility. So let's talk about the journey we've been on to validate that we are absolutely on the right track.
We started by earning some serious old-school credibility. Pepperdine University's business school named us a most fundable company. We were accepted into the super exclusive Founders Network. These are huge wins. But then, something else happened. Something absolutely unbelievable.
1 in 784 trillion. Just take a second and let that number sink in.
That's the probability of what happened next occurring by sheer chance. Get this, in a completely unprecedented event, we presented our core philosophy to the world's most advanced AIs. We're talking Google, Anthropic, and OpenAI. And independently, they all came back with the same conclusion, that the principles of GestaltView are sound, novel, and profound. The machines themselves confirmed that our human-first approach is the real deal.
So you see, this is so much more than just a product. It's a movement. It's a paradigm shift. And by supporting our Indiegogo campaign, you're not just becoming a customer. You are becoming a founding member of a movement to build technology that actually serves human consciousness.
And here's where the rubber meets the road. We're talking real-world applications. A power-up for those with ADHD, a way to preserve legacy and dignity for those with Alzheimer's, a tool for addiction and recovery, which is deeply informed by our founders' own 14-year journey. The potential to transform wellness and learning is immense. And let me be absolutely clear about something.
This is all built on what we call a hope architecture. This is our promise to you. Your data, your thoughts, your mind, it is 100% yours, not ours, yours, always. Privacy isn't just a feature, it's our foundation.
So, we've got the philosophy, we have the technology, we have this unbelievable validation. The only thing missing now is you. We need your help to bring this to the world. So please, join us on Indiegogo. Let's build a future where technology finally, truly understands us. So what do you say? Are you ready to weave your masterpiece?